Well, good morning, folks. This is Dave from Yanis Outdoor Adventures. Well, we got a new grill. I'm gonna see if I can take the box, open the box, and put this thing together. All right, well, here we go. Let's unbox this puppy right now. Got a little razor knife, slide it open. Hey, that looks nice. Oh, wow. All right, let's pull out these instructions and see what we got here. Overall, folks, it's well packaged. Very good. That's good right off the bat. That's good news there. Well, it's pretty heavy, so I decided I'm gonna cut the box open like so. That way I don't have to lift it out. And if I ever have to return it for any reason, little tape will do. Now we get a better look at this. Wow, nice. Very nice. Oh my goodness, all these parts, huh? Wow. All right, let's cut this open. We'll get her done. Well, folks, first step is putting the legs and the cross pieces together. But it's also a lot easier if you look up the model number and trust the old YouTube video. Very nice, very nice. So it's a lot of parts, so we're gonna just pick at it. Got that part together. We ran into a problem here. They shorted me number 7. It's a bracket that goes from there to there. But I'm going to continue, and I can improvise by getting another piece of something and screwing it in with some self-tapping screws or something. Either that or ordering the part. We'll see how long that takes. Good news, folks. It was in a different box underneath the grill, inside the grill, which is good news. Now we have everything. Okay, got the base all set up. The next step is to put that bad boy and clip it down on top. Got the top dropped in there, screwed in tight. Now we got all kinds of stuff yet to do. We gotta put the pan in there, screw that down. We gotta set up the tank holder. There's some other bells and whistles that come with it. I think it's almost time for a step. I think it's time for a step 2. This is a long project. Many parts. But we'll see how it works when we finally get it done. All right. All right, got that side on. Put this side on. Coming along. I got this done. I was going to film more step-by-step stuff, but I'm going to tell you something. If you get one of these right here, I would suggest you go online, look up the model number, get the video on YouTube, and then go back. When you go into these books here, just like always, they don't talk, they show you pictures, but you have to skip ahead to see what it looks like because sometimes they're not too clear about stuff. But anyways, we're getting her done. Okay. Okay, right over there, boom, boom, boom. That's a good one. I like this one because this one doesn't move with the lid, which means it's going to be sturdy. All the other ones, I throw them out, take them off, and throw them in the garbage. Very nice, very nice. All right, folks, it's all done. I noticed that the one thing I did not like about this thing is the system that holds the tank. It comes with a stupid little wire thing here and a little wire thing there, and look what I had. Just so happened to have the perfect size plywood. Perfect size. Didn't even have to cut it. And then we got this tank hooked up. I like this system better. It does come with a little rinky-dinky chain to do something with, I guess, to tie the tank. But anyways, now, let's see here. Okay. It's fired up. It's got 4 burners. Very nice, very nice. So before I use this, I'm going to rub it down with some oil and cure those grades. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. My old little grill that wanted to hang in there, well, there's the new one. And here's a big version of an old big grill that wants to hang in there. My goodness gracious, look what we can do. Boom, 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 and then whoop. Anyways, I'm out of here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.